Hi everybody, well, we're back. They've stopped banging and crashing around my home, so we can get on and do some more videoing and move this project on a bit further. I haven't been able to do anything further than the last video simply because of the noise, and by the time evening came and it was all nice and quiet, I was too knackered to do anything much. Okay, for the astute observers, you'll see three, I've forgotten what they're called, these things, these motors. Now, you're all thinking, he spent some money. Wrong. That was a birthday present from three friends. They bought one each. And I was told on Monday that I could order some more motors, servo motors, you're right. But I didn't need any more. So I haven't seen my friend since who made the offer. It's for looking after Jet, and I'm going to be getting three basic Chinese controllers that should do the job. We're not going away from Arduino. What's going to happen is, because of the complexity from my point of view, not from anybody else's point of view with regard to Arduino projects. From my point of view, I'm no good at programming, I'm no good at setting up that type of system. I'm getting bogged down with research, but I'm getting there slowly, and that's the trouble, it's slowly. So what I've decided to do is we'll go with the servo motors, okay, so we can use Max 3 straight away, and then once we've got it working and making printed circuit boards, because that's all this will be doing initially, then I will in the meantime obviously be continuing my research into Arduino and driving DC motors. When I have perfected that, I will then swap out the servos for the DC motors that I've got on here at the moment. I'm not using any different ones, and then I can show you an Arduino system in full working order. Okay, so that's the plan of attack. How we'll get there I have no idea, but we'll get there. So onwards and upwards, as they say.